Today, for the creation of our own anime, we're creating a shonen story. Right. But when I look at shonen, it's like almost everything seems possible. From ninja worlds to pirate lands, cooking to energy blasts, sports, science, card games. Everything a little boy could be interested in seems to work. What should we do? Friendship, effort, victory. What? Friendship, effort, victory. It's the motto of the most popular and best-selling manga magazine of the world, the Weekly Shonen Jump. And when we look at the most popular shonen of all time, they certainly all have these qualities. Friendship, effort, victory. But how do we implement these things? Essentially, friendship, effort and victory is the path the anime takes. But that path needs to be walked by someone. Enter the protagonist. And unlike millions of people around the world who aimlessly walk along a path, never getting anywhere, the shonen protagonist needs to know where it's going before they can walk. That's right, the protagonist needs a goal. Without a goal, there's nowhere to go. And if there's no goal, the audience can't empathize and root for the protagonist, egging them along that harsh path. That's also why a goal should be clear and easy to understand. Let's speedrun some popular protagonist goals. Naruto, to become HOKAGE. Luffy, to become the Pirate King. Sakuragi, to become the best basketball player. Edward Elric, to restore the body of his little brother. Goku, become the strongest fighter. Eren Yeager, destroy all titans. Jotaro Kujo, save his mother. Gon, finding his father. Deku, to become the best hero. Tanjiro Kamado, to make his sister human again. Ippo, to answer the question, what does it mean to be strong? So what comes up often is becoming the best and protecting your friends. That's the goal. Yes. And these characters get there through friendship, effort, and victory. And other than that, you can just do what you want. What? Hold on. So, an anime about bowling? He wants to be the best bowler in the world? But there's a secret bowling society that stands against him. He tries to take over the bowling community, hurting his friends. He has to go through every enemy, who all have special bowling abilities and attacks. Each time he has to show effort by doing special training. It's hard work, but with friendship it can be done. Of course, after each victory, the enemy also becomes a friend, increasing the friendship. But sometimes he has to lose, just to put him in place, where he has to give even more effort and rely even more on his friends. And through all the effort and friendship, he has to duel with the secret bowling society, which he wins. Victory! We're one step closer to our dream. But, Florian? Huh? What? There's one thing that is really important, right? Yeah? What are we gonna do about the battles? Next episode, making a battle system.